Okay guys, this is Roman Santoro. I am gonna be working with you on exercise 7 for the 5th chapter of the accounting book. So we have this little problem here. I tried doing it first on the tool and then I brought it here into the Excel file so that we could see it easier. So basically what we have to do here is we have to calculate our total net income based on the formulas we have learned in this chapter. So by definition we know that sales revenue less cost of goods sold equals gross profit, and then if we take out operating expenses from gross profit we'll get net income. So we also have learned in this chapter that based on any returns or allowances, we'll have to take that amount out from sales revenue to be able to obtain net sales. So basically at this point what we are going to be doing is we have, for the first company, which is Oriole company, we'll have this $97,200, which to turn into net sales we'll have to take the difference. So the difference for this is gonna be 14,200. So after doing that we get to our number, which is net sales. So after net sales we need to calculate gross profit. So to get gross profit we'll get net sales and we'll take out from there the cost of goods sold. So that will net us an amount of 28,200. After doing that we'll be able to calculate our net income by basically subtracting operating expenses to gross profit. We need to also take into account that if we have any other revenues coming from a different source which is not operating, then we would add it here to calculate net income, but we don't have any, so we'll just subtract and obtain our final number, which is $13,500. So that will be the first for the first company, for Oriole company. After that we'll do the same for Ivanhoe company, and so in this case we need to understand that net sales should be sales revenue less sales returns and allowances. So to be able to obtain 106 here we'll have to take this 4,000 from a bigger number to obtain this. So the number here should be $110,000. So let me see here. There we go. Okay, so we subtract $4,000 and we get net sales, and after getting net sales we are able to calculate the difference between the gross profit and net sales, which in this case will be 62,000. So after getting that, do the same, we get the difference between gross profit and net income to calculate the operating expenses. So we just subtract these two and we'll get the difference, which is 28,400. So after doing that we get our second part of the exercise of the problem, which is being able to calculate profit margin and to calculate gross profit rate. So if we go to the book to chapter 5, pages 235 and 236, we'll learn how to calculate these two percentages. So we know that profit margin is taking net income and dividing it by the net sales, and so if we do that for Real company we'll get 16.3%. Remember you need to keep a 1 decimal for this problem, it's explained in the instructions. So we get 16.3 for Oriole, and for Ivanhoe we get 14.7. So to calculate gross profit rate we will take our gross profit and then we'll divide it by net sales, and that will net us this percentage, which is 33.9 for real and 41.5 for Ivanhoe. So I hope that was helpful. I am sorry for my accent. I know it's not the nicest accent out there, but I hope this was helpful for all of you. Okay, see ya.